If you've ever looked at a genetics test and thought, what am I actually supposed to do with this? You're not alone. We're all told that genetics is the future of medicine, but when the report finally lands on a desk, you're met with conflicting interpretations, overwhelming data, and no clear clinical roadmap. If you're a health seeker and you've run a genetics test, you're likely been overwhelmed with hundreds of health tips in no order of priority and little organization, leaving you feeling confused, paralyzed, or anxious. These are just some of the problems this show solves. I'm Dr. Sam Shay, DC, functional medicine certified professional and Fitgenes practitioner. I'm a genetics educator and practitioner trainer, and this is the Fitgenes podcast. For more than 2 decades, I've worked at the intersection of nutrition, functional lab testing, and genetics. And what I've learned is straightforward. Genetics isn't the issue. The lack of a clear framework is. This podcast is designed to be the classroom for functional genetics. Each episode breaks down complex pathways into practical systems you can use immediately, how to interpret results, how to communicate them clearly, and what to actually do next. If you're a health coach, clinician, or practitioner who wants to integrate genetics without overwhelm, you're in the right place. Or if you're a health seeker, a lifelong learner, a longevity enthusiast, or simply curious about how your DNA influences your health, you'll finally understand genetics in a way that's usable and not confusing. Genetics doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs the right framework. Subscribe to the Fitgenes podcast now, and I'll see you in the next episode.